Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have another easy and delicious dessert recipe for you guys, and I want to show you how to make the best lemon pound cake. This lemon cake has all the flavors. We're going to be adding lemon extract, lemon juice, and lemon zest, but I'm not stopping there. I'm also going to add a simple lemon glaze to add the maximum zesty lemon flavor. You guys are going to love the texture of this cake. It's extra moist and delicate, and it's going to be perfect with that cup of coffee in the morning or after dinner with a cup of tea. For the full recipe, don't forget to head on down the video description box. There's a link right at the top that'll take you over to my website. Meanwhile, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this incredible dessert. And I'm going to get things started today with my butter and sugar. So I have 1 1/4 cups of unsalted butter, and I've softened it at room temperature. I'm going to add in 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And I'm going to grab my hand mixer, but you can also use your stand mixer. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together for about 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is light and creamy. And now that I have my butter and sugar creamed together, I could add the rest of my wet ingredients. We're going to be adding in 4 large eggs. Just drop them right in. Next, I'll add in 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of lemon extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to grab my mixer and cream this all together for a couple minutes until the eggs are well beaten and I have a nice and smooth mixture. And now for my dry ingredients, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just going to stir this all together. And I'm going to sift my dry ingredients into the cake batter to ensure that I don't get any clumps of flour. And I'll use my hand mixer to mix everything together. And last, I'm going to add in the zest of 2 large lemons. And this lemon zest is just going to add so much incredible lemon flavor. And I'll use my hand mixer to mix in the lemon zest for about 15 to 20 seconds. And today I'm going to be using a 9-inch bun pan for my lemon cake, and I spray the inside really well with the baking spray. You can also butter and flour the inside, but you want to make sure you do a really good job of this, otherwise the cake won't come out of the pan. I'm just going to grab a spatula and drop the cake batter evenly into the pan. And then make sure to go around the edges and kind of level off the cake batter. And my lemon pound cake is ready to go into the oven. I have mine preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done baking, I'm going to invert it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely, and then we'll come back to add our simple lemon glaze. And once my lemon cake has cooled for about an hour, I'm going to make the simple glaze. I have about 1 cup of confectioner's sugar. I'm going to add in a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now you can make this glaze thinner or thicker depending on how much lemon juice that you add. I'm going to grab a spoon and just drizzle the simple lemon glaze over the cake. And I'm going to garnish the top of the cake with little twists of lemon. And now it's time to slice into this cake and enjoy it. I'm just going to grab a sharp serrated knife, slice right through. This is such an easy and fantastic cake recipe. Check that out. This cake is just so delicate and moist on the inside. You can actually see the little bits of the little lemon zest on the inside there as well. And I want to show you guys the texture of this cake close up. It's just so light and delicate. Check that out. And that's it for my easy lemon pound cake recipe. I love how this turned out. It's so simple and elegant. I love the lemon garnishes on the top as well. For the full recipe, don't forget to head on down the video description box. I have the recipe link right at the top of the description box, and that'll take you over to my website so you can find the full recipe. And I always include metric measurements as well. And now it's time to dig in and enjoy this cake. I love lemon cakes, and so I'm so excited about this one. This cake is just wow. You guys are gonna be blown away with the incredible lemon flavor. There is so much lemon flavor going on. You get a little bit of that lemon zest, the lemon extract, that lemon juice, and I love the addition of that simple lemon glaze on the top. It adds even more incredible lemon flavor. If you guys love a good zesty cake, this is the recipe for you. It is so rich and delicate. The texture of the cake itself is just phenomenal. It's so delicate, it melts into your mouth. It's gonna be so perfect with a cup of coffee in the morning, or enjoy it after dinner with some tea. You guys are gonna be blown away with just how easy and delicious this cake is. And it's so easy to eat. You're definitely gonna have at least 2 or 3 slices of this cake when you're enjoying it at home. Thank you guys so much for watching this video recipe. I hope you enjoy this incredible cake at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.